Do you want to play Mobile Legends on PC or Mac with better controls and performance? Here's how you can set it up. First, download an Android emulator like BlueStacks or LD Player on your computer. For personal preferences, I chose LD Player. Go to the website of your preferred emulator. Install the emulator, then open it and sign in if asked. Once you're in, go to the search bar and search for Mobile Legends Bang Bang. You should see an install button right here. Then install it just like you would on a phone. After installing, launch the game and log into your account. Or if you're new to the game, you can play the tutorials first before you play competitively with other users. You can customize your keyboard and mouse controls using the emulator's key mapping settings. For smoother gameplay, adjust the graphic settings based on your PC or Mac's performance. And that's it. You're now playing Mobile Legends on PC or Mac with better control and performance. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.